Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Now we'll repair the code and observe the final output. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.